Yeah, the name's Newton, Isaac Newton, and I did a lot more than just discover gravity. Okay, I can't stand it when people don't realize all my accomplishments. I I the apple fell on my head. It didn't even fall on my head. I found it. I found it on the ground, and I picked it up and I dropped it. And sure, it's like there must be some laws governing the motion of the universe. But I also discovered that the same force was holding up the moon. And you can't make that stuff up. I wrote the Principia. You know the Principia? It was me. Principles of Jeeves. What did I write again?
Principles of natural philosophy, sir.
Thank you. Principles of natural philosophy, sir. And that was me. In it, I talked about the 3 laws of motion. What are they? Go look it up. I wrote it. It was me. I invented calculus. Come on, people. Drive faster. I invented calculus. Do I get any credit? No. People think I invented the apple. They think I invented gravity. Pshaw. Reason why you have bad grades, probably, right now. This guy. Right here. Before me, we didn't even have math. Wasn't science. It was just like a theory or something like that. I don't know. Like all those like Aristotle, for instance. Who? Exactly. There's people like Aristotle. They thought that. I don't know. Jeeves, what did they think?
They thought you could arrive at conclusions just through speculation.
True, but about in terms of motion and like force.
Natural and non-natural motion, sir.
Right.
Natural motion is what the planets did, and non-natural motion is when the force outside of the object itself acted upon it and pushed it.
You want to say that? Poppycock. Alright, that's all I have to say. Okay, that's all I have to say. No cameras. Okay.
Hey, could you tell us about your life? Tell us a bit about your life. I know that the paparazzi has been all over this subject, but between the conflict between you and Isaac Newton, could you comment more? Comment more on that.
Newton has made comments recently, thinking he's made me obsolete. Aristotle, father of all that has become thought. Well, there was a day when natural philosophy was actually respectable, but now it's become some child's game of experiments and mathematics. Despicable. And I'll have you know, Newton is... well, I just don't appreciate the comments. Because see, natural philosophy, we could arrive at conclusions by speculation. There was no need for experimentation. We could arrive and unlock the secrets of the universe just by meditation and dwelling on them. But now we have this Newton and his heliocentric theory and his universal motion. It's madness. Can you imagine the entire solar system, as he says, spinning around the sun? How would that even work? Nonsense, I say. Nonsense.
This simpleton plebeian swine, thinking his futuristic equations are so fly. Forget science, got that ceaseless state of mind. Bloke wants to have his apple and eat it at the same time. My D's been the norm for 2,000 years, pondering phenomena for all of my peers. Experiments, psh, don't you know that's absurd? Joking on my mind, you're about to get burned.
I discovered gravity when that apple fell. The very same force held the moon up as well. When the apple fell on my head, they said I was whack, but the same force pushing the moon was pushing back. Born on on Christmas. Check that off your wish list. About to stuff your stocking with the force you've never witnessed. Was gonna be a farmer, but with math I'm a straight up charmer. Hold on to your wig and strap on your knickerbockers.
You're just a shut up mathematical hermit. Put that record on deck, my natural emotion can turn it. Innovation, discovery, boy, you've gotta earn it. Stay in the sandbox, play with the kids and Kermit. I taught Alexander the Great, now what did you do? Get out of town with that alchemy voodoo. I'm one of the greatest minds ever, who knew? Now leave that tangent curving real close, I'll knock your face blue.
I attract the ladies, gravitational pull on that Sadie's. The same force up in space, pulling the moon, the stars and Pallades. Differentials and fluxions, they said I was crazy. Uniform rectilinear motions. I'm a straight up G alchemist, sipping up on them potions. Straight out of Cambridge, I'm straight up ballin'. You wanna know the reason why your grades are falling? Because
He invented calculus. Yep.
bet you didn't know he thought of it.
Yep.
It's the rate of change between any two curves. I'm a mathematician, boy, gravitational nerd.
He invented calculus. Yep.
Bet you didn't know he thought of it.
Yep.
It's the rate of change between any two curves. I'm a mathematician, boy, gravitational nerd.